There are so many AI tools available to us, but what ones are actually going to help us as affiliate marketers? In today's video, I'm going to share with you the 3 best AI tools for affiliate marketers. My name is Lauren, and I've been an affiliate marketer for over 8 years now, and I've generated several $1,000,000 in affiliate marketing, and these are my 3 favorite tools that, in my opinion, you need to be using if you're an affiliate marketer or want to be an affiliate marketer. Before we get started, I do want to point out I have a free Getting Started with Affiliate Marketing guide below that you can download today and get access to if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and how you can be successful as an affiliate marketer. It's down below for anyone that's watching today. Now let's talk about the 3 best tools. Now obviously I know that there are tons and tons of AI tools available to us. There's almost one every time we look on the internet, we see a new one that's available. I want to break down the 3 AI tools that I use the most as an affiliate marketer. Do I think that there are other tools out there that are helpful? Yes, absolutely. If you have any questions or if you'd like to share any that you found helpful too, go ahead and leave those in the comments. But now we're going to go ahead and jump into the first tool that I find the most helpful. And this first tool is called Jasper AI. Jasper is a generative AI tool. It helps generate really high quality, engaging content. You can create all kinds of things on here: blogs, ad copy, YouTube descriptions, emails, and so much more. I've actually been using Jasper for over 3 years now, and this has been single-handedly the most impactful AI tool for myself and my business. Not only does it help me come up with content ideas, a lot of the times I'll have writer's block and I will completely go blank. I won't have any ideas, and it'll help me come up with those ideas, but it'll actually help enhance and improve the content once I create it as well. What's really unique about Jasper is it'll actually optimize your content if you'd like to for search engines, which as an affiliate marketer is beyond important. And I've personally seen that the content that Jasper creates is beneficial for my SEO presence. Another huge benefit of Jasper is obviously giving you the opportunity to scale your business. So you're able to create content so much faster because you essentially have this AI assistant that is not only helping you come up with the ideas, but also helping you create the content itself. I've used Jasper to create so many different types of content: blogs, video ideas, video outlines. I've even used Jasper to create emails that I send out to my students and my email list that has generated me 6 figures just this past year. So Jasper is well worth the investment in my opinion. I have a discount code below if you'd like to get started with Jasper today and see for yourself how this can help you in your business. The next tool I'm going to mention is Keywords Everywhere. This is a search engine optimization tool that you can download an extension of on your browser and get insights and data into SEO, keywords, and do all of your keyword research within this Keywords Everywhere tool. I myself have used this for years. This is another tool that I've used for years in my business. And I also have other very successful affiliate marketer friends that have used this tool to create $100,000 plus months for themselves. So SEO, if you don't know, is search engine optimization, and you must absolutely do keyword research if you are any type of affiliate marketer, whether you're creating written content online, whether you're doing video content, paid traffic, organic traffic. Keyword research is a must. And in my opinion, you need a tool like Keywords Everywhere in order to get ahead and make the best decisions for yourself and your business. What I really like about Keywords Everywhere is you can actually toggle on, depending on your browser of choice or wherever you'd like the data to show up in from the tool itself, and it'll show up right on your screen as you're doing your keyword research. As you can see here, I prefer Chrome and I have the extension downloaded, and I'm able to see my keyword research right in the browser itself. So I love that it's an integrated tool and I don't have to go somewhere separate to do my keyword research. And my next and final tool that I'm going to share with you guys is actually one that I've been using more recently, and this is going to be a game changer for anyone who's doing any type of video content. And the tool is called Munch Munch AI. What Munch AI does is it takes a longer form video that you're able to upload into the tool, and it'll automatically select the best segments or clips from that longer video to create really engaging shorter clips for other platforms. You can choose your preferred duration for each of these clips that you create, and Munch AI will even put automatic closed captions on your videos. I've actually been paying separately for a tool that just does the captions and isn't even very accurate in my opinion. So now having a tool that'll actually edit the videos, add the closed captions, and get this, it'll even create captions for your clips that you can use on Instagram Reels, on YouTube Shorts, on TikTok, all of these shorter clips. It creates the caption for you, which is absolutely insane. So it's literally taking 4 different steps or 4 different tools and putting it into one. I was paying separately for all of these individual tools until I found Munch AI that does all of these things in one place, which is really nice. So it's actually saving me quite a bit of money. And I've been able to get even more views to my content because now I'm able to create so much more of it because Munch AI essentially does all the work for me. So there are my 3 favorite AI tools for affiliate marketers. I will put a link to each and every one of these tools below if you'd like to check them out. I know for sure some of them have free trials, so you can give them a try, see if they work for you, and see if you like them for yourself and your business. I personally do because not only do they help me save time, save money, they have actually helped me produce even more revenue in my business as an affiliate marketer. So I believe if you put these 3 AI tools to use in your affiliate marketing business, you will see such an amazing return on your investment if you're using them the right way. I think I'm actually gonna make a separate video for each of these tools to show exactly how I use them. If you'd like those videos, go ahead and let me know in the comments. But let me know if this video was helpful by giving it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more affiliate marketing tips, and I will see you guys in the next video.